everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, ready to count down to Christmas 2024. Are you ready? Well, we're going to do it together, so I think we can do it. We can handle it. So I want to introduce to you the Mega Christmas giveaway that I'm hosting here on my channel. No one else is responsible for it, just me, and it is for you, my subscribers. So I hope that you will come back every night and help me count down to Christmas. Now, this video is the video that you will want to enter in the comments every day. Don't miss out. Every single day, come back to this video. Bookmark it, save it, whatever you got to do, come back here and make sure that you post the word Christmas in your comments below. Whatever you want, the word is going to be Christmas, and I am going to tell you all the fun prizes that you have an opportunity to win. And also, we're going to be opening the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It has 24 crafty surprises in here, and we're going to make something with it. We'll see. And you know how that goes. But I'm going to introduce to you all the prizes and the giveaway first, and I hope you'll come back every day and join me. So there'll be a new video every evening, and on Tuesday when we have Crafts and Games Live, we will open day 3 in here and see what's in there, and I won't know, so I guess I'll just have to be prepared to make something with whatever it is. But to enter the giveaway, you do have to be 18 or older. You do have to be US or Canada only, and I ask that you subscribe to my channel because I celebrate my subscribers with all my giveaways. Every giveaway that I have is because of you, and I do it for you, and I want to celebrate Christmas with you this month. And there will be some hidden giveaways sprinkled throughout the month, so don't miss those. I think it's easy to miss a video and then miss out. You never know. Anyway, okay, so there are 8 prizes available. The first one is a package of 100 metal book corners. Really nice, always useful. The next prize is a bookmaking kit. It has a bone folder, your wax thread. It has needles, and this is really helpful if you want to make junk journals or do any crafting. That would be good. Another prize is a set of 6 blending brushes, and if you don't have blending brushes, they do kind of add a lot whenever you go to blend your pages and your inks together. So just make sure that you enter in this giveaway. So this is one winner per prize. You know, like if you win one prize, that's what you win. This is the another prize, which is Sparkling Florals Glitter Glue. Get 3, and there's 3 beautiful colors. It's called Sparkling Florals. So there you go. It's kind of a fuchsia, a green, and a purple, which would be really fun in your crafting. And if you missed Vlogmas this morning, we are opening Harry Slotkin's Advent Calendar, Countdown to Christmas, and opening a new candle every day. This is called Partridge in a Pear Tree, and it smells so good. So tomorrow we have another one. All right, more prizes. So if you like crafting, you will probably be interested in this particular prize, which are 12 crafty surprises. This is actually from last year, I believe. Spellbinders Papers Arts. It is an Advent calendar, but it's never been opened. You can see the wrappings all on it, so that will be a fun prize. Then if you watched last year, I opened the Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar, and it was so packed with goodies, and I have another one. Last year's Advent Calendar, Crafter's Companion. So if you did not get one last year, you have a chance to get one now. And the last prize is a Magicfly mini sewing machine. If you love to sew your junk journals or even want to do a little minor sewing, you might be interested in this fun sewing machine right here. It is so cute. It is accented in purple colors and you will love it. It comes with all these goodies in the back. And so you can see there's lots of good prizes. You'll want to enter the word Christmas in the comments below. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and come back every single day. Oh, I missed one. There's one more prize. This set from Dollar Tree of a fun Christmas kitchen towel mitt, oven mitt, and some pot holders. So cute. So anyway, all of this is going to be drawn in a drawing on December 24th. So make sure that you watch every day, enter every day, and on December 24th, I will post the winners. Yay, just in time for Christmas. I know you won't have it in your hot little hands, but you will be getting it. All right, so let's open the first day on the Spellbinders Paper Arts Crafty Advent Calendar. Now, I have never opened the Spellbinders Paper Arts Crafty Advent Calendar. I understand it's got really fun stuff in here, little surprises, and so we're going to enjoy this year. And I thought it would be fun since Crafter's Companion isn't doing theirs, which I'm really sad about. Hopefully they'll bring it back again next year. But here's door number 1, and so let's see. I'm just going to give it a little help here because I don't want to bust the box all up. And see what's behind door number 1. See if it's something we can actually make something with. I don't know. I don't even know what to expect, really, except the crafty stuff. All right, so here's my paper to come through. And it is, oh, it's little dies. Look at that. Okay, so, and have you ever opened a Spellbinders Paper Arts Crafty Advent Calendar before? Look, there's a bunch in here. It's not just one. Look at all that. So that looks like a ball, and hello, little banners. There's part of a bow. What is that? A little flag. Some little pennant flags. Is that a moon? I don't know. What all is this for? Look at that. It is really fun. So, what do you guys think? I don't know if I can make something Christmassy with that. What is it for? I am not quite sure. Do you? And does anybody know? This looks like it embosses, and this would be a pretty ornament. How about we make a little ornament and put it on a tag for Snowy Christmas junk journal. How about that? How about we do that? Okay, so let me get my Gemini ready. I always want to use at least part of what I get to make something Christmassy. That's my challenge every year, because at the Crafter's Companion one didn't have everything wasn't Christmas in it, right? Because you want to use it for different things. So this is really fun. Okay, so I'm going to make an ornament. All right, we're going to try it. My folder's kind of bowed, so we'll see if it goes through well. This is a piece from the kit that I've, like scrap. Let's see if I have a darker piece. Maybe this would work better. And then we'll make an ornament, and then we'll put it on a tag and put it in my journal. So let's try it. Not used like a Sissix through my MIDI before. Has anyone else done that? All right, and this looked like it did embossing as well, and it does. So I don't know if you can see it. How cute is that? All right. Now I need a top. Oh, I wonder if that's supposed to be the top. What do you guys think? Is that supposed to be a top? Yeah. Let's cut out a top. Okay, I found a silver circle that I had cut out, so we're going to try that and see if that works for the topper of an ornament. We're just going to cut it and see. And, oh, there we go. It almost looks like a basket if you turn it the other way. But that'll work, right? Okay. So then I want to use some midnight blue and go around the edge here. I wonder if it would bring out, oh, you love it whenever you're filming and stuff happens. Don't I love it? Okay, and then we could put a little spritz on that. How about some glitter? All right, I think I got my plan. So this turned out really cute when I cut that out. And we're going to glue it to the top here. So that will be the topper for the ornament. So we'll just put the glue here at the top. Anybody else make things on the fly, or am I the only one? I just have to know. All right, so we're going to glue this on here. I'm going to let that adhere. While that's adhering, let's push it up a little bit. There we go. Let that stick together. Then I've cut out a piece of white cardstock and a piece of vellum that I had. And then a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from the kit. So I did go around the edges with that midnight blue ink. And I am going to put Merry Christmas in the middle here. All right. Then I'm going to take some of this fun chunky glitter paste that I've been playing with a lot with this kit. And we're just going to rub it over this little ornament to give it a little pizzazz. So that'll be cute. And you can't really see the embossed as much, but it is there. And now that I've added the chunky glitter, it's probably going to take some of that away. All right, so we're going to take some silver. This is just some cord that I have, and we're gonna put it through these two. So I don't want to actually glue them or glue them together. I want them to hang, sort of like you would maybe a gift tag. So we're just going to put the loop through, pull the tails, and then we've got that. And then we've got the Merry Christmas in the background back there. And then we're going to tie some cord to this and glue it and hang it from there. So won't that be cute? Oh, let me let this dry a second. All right, so I just hung another piece of that cord. I actually just glued it to the back. I don't think that is too bad. And then if you were going to give it away, I mean, you may want to make two and just glue them together to cover that up. Or if you don't mind, it's fine the way that it is. But how cute is that? Using the first day's little trinkets that came, these metal craft dies, so many, and one little door. How about that? So this is day one. And you could use this as a gift tag, or you could actually use it for a tag in your journal. So we could put that in my journal. And we will just, maybe we'll just put it in here. Okay, I have a gnat trying to attack me. I just want you to know. All right, so cute. All right, so we're gonna set that aside and put it back in its little plastic bag. And look at day 2. Day 2 is right here. Let me scoot this. Right here is bigger. What do you guys think's behind here? If you know, please don't tell. We will figure it out tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the word Christmas to enter in the giveaway. If you share, you can enter again. Please enter every day. I hope you will join me on Countdown to Christmas and Vlogmas. Have a wonderful first day of, or December. Well, I guess you have already. Have a wonderful second day. Okay, come back tomorrow.